Hello, hello. Oh, my hey, good evening. What's up? How are you?
Good.
You're good. Did you go to school?
Yeah.
I went to school. Say it again, please. I went to, to school. What did you learn in school? Can you tell me what did you learn in school? Oh my God, you forgot it. What did you learn? 251. Yeah? English class. What did you learn in your English class? Did you learn about phonics, spellings, animals? What did you learn? You forgot it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my God, you don't know. Okay, today we're going to talk about, look, what is this? Can you read it for me?
Coco, the cat.
Coco the cat. Do you like cats?
No.
Ah,
It's fairy.
you don't
That
like
cat is a shrine.
that this cat looks what?
The chest is so scary. Oh,
Oh,
I.
yeah. Wait, let me show you my cute cat. Wait. Where is it? I think I'm not sure if it's with me, if it's inside this box down here under the table, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, but it's just a stuffed toy. Next. Ah, wait here. I think I saw it. Wait. Yes. Oh no, it's different. I can't find it. Tehe. Wait. Where? No. Mm-hmm. I think it's hidden somewhere in the cabinet. So okay. So you don't like cats. What about dogs? Do you also like dogs?
No, they're so scary. Else.
Oh.
It's
Oh.
is fine.
Oh, okay. You don't like dogs and cats. All right. That's fine. What animal do you like? I like
One, two, three.
what what is it again?
I like to fish.
Ah, you like fishing. Yeah? Ah. Why do you like fishing? Can you tell me?
Fishing is good.
Fishing is good. Oh, okay. Do you fish with mom and dad? Yes, maybe you ride a small boat and then you
I
go.
have the fish already
Are
on
you?
my TV.
Oh, oh.
There is a TV.
There's a TV and then you watch fishing videos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there is some eat some cooked some tiny tiny
Tiny
into
fish.
fishing.
Ah, you sometimes go fishing and you cook it, you fry it. Is that what you mean? Ah, cool. Okay. There you go. So, well, let's then continue. Thank you, by the way, for sharing that. Let's go here. So, what is this? Can you tell me first? Left, left, left. Left, left, left.
Left, left, left.
The armchair is on
The armchair is on the left side of the room.
Okay, that is right, on the left side. And where is your left hands?
Left test.
Yeah, show me your
What?
left hand. Show me your left hand. Okay, yep, that is right. Left hand. What about here? Right.
The yellow chair is on the right side.
Okay, where is your right hand? Yes, that's your left. Your right hand is this. Show me your right hand. No, that's left.
Right.
Huh? That is your right hand. Give me left, right. Which one? Left, left, right.
Left.
Yes. Okay. So here, this one. Where is the yellow chair again?
Right.
It's on the complete sentence. It's on the right side.
The right side.
And what is on the left side? It's the
Chair.
what color?
Chair.
The red chair is on the left side. Always remember. Okay, let's put it here. This is the left side, and this
Oh,
one right here
cái
is
này
the right side. Okay?
nè,
Yeah. All right, middle or between.
nè, yên chọn đúng không? Circle like a meal can be.
Oh,
Phải cũng ra.
yeah.
The hand has
Hamster.
is a middle.
Yes, hamster. Can you say it again? Hamster.
Hamster.
Okay, so some they like hamster. What about you? Do you also like hamster?
Cutie. Cutie.
It's cutie. Oh, I don't like hamster. I don't like them. Yeah.
I so scared of it. And in the house, I see a mat on right side a sofa.
Oh, you saw, okay. You mean to say, I saw a mouse on the right side of our sofa, and I got so scared. Is this what you mean?
Yes.
Ah, oh my God, that is so scary. Now, can you read that again? Okay, I saw a mouse on the right side or next to the sofa. Mouse next to the sofa, and I got really scared.
E is N. No.
Huh?
A N D. No, A D.
Oh, all right. Okay, yeah. Thank you. That's a typo. Okay, so can you read that for me? I saw a man. Mouse, go. Read this read this one. This is your sentence practice. I saw a mouse.
Quá là gì? Quá lại đây.
Read. Come on.
I don't see.
Wow.
I don't see.
I cannot see the screen, but you can draw. Why, oh, why? Say it again. I saw a mouse.
So a mouse next to the forward
I got
and
really
God is
scared.
really scared.
OMG. Okay, and let's continue. What about here? Say middle.
Middle.
Mm-hmm. The hamster is
Hamster is in the middle.
okay. So this is the hamster.
Hamsters.
Yes.
Hamster.
So what is beside? Okay, what's on the left and the right side of the hamster? It's the dog and the cat, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can say between the cat is the dog and the cat. You can say it that way, okay?
Hello, hamster.
Yes, I don't like hamster too. Oh, between the hamster.
This is a scary hamster.
Oh, this is a scary hamster. Okay, that is true. So look at Nina. So Nina is on the left side. So who is Nina? Is Nina the pink elephant or the blue elephant? What do you think? Who is Nina? Nina is on the left side. So, what do you think? Nina is on the
Nina is on the side.
is on the left side. Yep, that is right, Benny. Benny. I mean, hehe. Because again, this part here is the left side. And right here, the blue elephant is on the right side. Okay? Got it? Cool? Yeah. All right. Hey, look. Emily is in the middle. Where is Emily? Circle Emily, please. Where is Emily? Emily, Emily. Okay, that is Emily. Yes, you are right. That is Emily. Let's have his or her name here. Emily. Okay. Now, it says also, Jerry is on the right side. So where is Jerry? Is Jerry this one? Right side. Right side. Where is Jerry? Look for Jerry. Is this Jerry or this girl here or this boy here? Jerry. Yeah. Okay. Jerry, that is correct. So, Jerry. So, Jerry is on the right side. Emily is in the middle. Very good, boy. Okay, here. Oh, no. Left, middle, right. Left, middle, right.
Middle right.
Left.
Left, middle right. Left, middle right.
What is the answer here? I don't know. Help me.
Right, middle, left. Left, left, middle, right.
Yes.
Middle, right.
Yeah, so the answer is middle. Yeah. Middle, middle, middle. That is correct. Left, middle, right. Left, middle, right. Left, middle, right. And you get this award. Well done. Very good. Hey, hey. Good job. Okay. Next. What about this? Okay. Can you read this one for me? Excuse me, Cindy.
Excuse me, Kenny. What are you looking at? Hi, Anna. I'm looking at my cat Coco.
Wow! Good job. You're opening your mouth and it's very clear. I like that way you're reading. Hehe. And let's check next. Anna asked,
I can see Coco. Where is she? She is on the right side of the garden. She is hunting mix.
Mice.
Mike.
Mice. Hunting mice.
This Mike.
Okay. Mouse, you know mouse? In English, it's only one. But you say mice if it's two or more mouse. Yeah, two or more. Mouse, only one. Mice, it's two or more. Okay? Hunting, can you say hunting?
Hundes.
Hunting.
Hundes.
She is hunting mice. Okay? There.
She is hunting mice. Cô ấy đang săn chuột.
Ew, I don't like to hunt mice. Okay. Next one. Go. Is that your dog?
Is that your dog on the left side of the garden? Yes, that's it. He is sleeping in the sun.
Okay. All right. So, That is Eric the dog. Where is Eric the dog? Yeah.
A left side, a left side, and a middle.
Of
Push.
the garden. Left side, okay, of the garden. So, this one. Of course, this is Eric the dog. Yeah.
Eric is the dog.
Eric the dog and Coco the cat. And then, what is that? Continue. What is that?
What is it? What is that in the middle of the garden?
Yeah.
That is my rabbit. It is eating a carrot.
Okay, so that's the rabbit eating a carrot. So see, the rabbit is in the middle. The dog, Eric, is on the left side. And Coco, the cat, is on the right side. Okay? All right?
Right?
Okay, here. So this is, or this picture is a picture of the zoo. I am on the right side of the zoo. Who is that animal? I am on the right side of the zoo.
Side of the sun.
Okay. And so who is that animal? It's the
Monkey.
Monkey. Are you sure? It's the monkey or the giraffe? Again, right side.
Sand.
This is right side, right? So it's the
Giraffe.
Yes, I am on the right side. This is the giraffe. The monkey is on the
Side.
left side. This one. Wait. Okay, here.
Here we go.
I am the monkey. Okay, I am the monkey. I am on the right side. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah. But okay, this is monkey, and this is the giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yes, how many giraffes? Can you see?
Two.
There are 2 giraffes. All right, there. And yes, next one. What about here? What is in the middle of the garden?
Is in the middle of the garden.
Okay. And what is in the middle of the garden? Is it a flower?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Okay, so your sentence is, the dog is in the
middle.
Very good. Okay, so 3. Let's add that here. So the dog is in the middle of the garden. Okay, good job. Hehe. Very good. Next one. There are, what's that? Oh my God, help me, please. Help me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are.
Okay. So the right side again. Let's practice this. Right. This is
No way.
no way. Right side. This is
way.
left side.
Finish.
Okay. So what is, or what are on the left side and the right side? Right side first. It's the
That is a can.
oh, that
And
cows.
left side is a sheep, and in the middle is a duck.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Exercises. Wow, you got it. Exercises. So again, the cows are on the right side of the farm. The sheep are on the left side of the farm, and the
Duck
ducks are in the
in the middle.
of the farm. Good job again. Okay. And so don't forget that. Let's go to the next one. It's here. What is in the middle of the river?
Middle of the river. The is the duck.
Okay, yes, the duck is in the middle of the river. Always use duck because it's only one ducks if it's two or more. So the duck is in the middle of the river. Very good. Easy peasy. Next one, can you say, I can do it?
I can do it.
Mm-hmm. Left,
Left,
middle,
right,
left, right.
middle.
Very good. And what are the sentences? Read it for me. Hehe. Mm.
She is on the right side of the garden. What is that in the middle
Okay, so
of the garden?
yes, that is correct. She's on the right side of the garden. What is that in the middle of the garden? Very good. Oh, so what about you? Hey, 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 what is on your right side? Look what's on your right.
Door,
The
door,
door. The door is on my right.
right. A sofa, and right.
Okay. So what is on your right side? The sofa and the door?
Sofa,
And the door?
sofa.
Okay. Wait. Let's. Left side is the door. Is it?
The left side is a door,
Okay.
and right side is a sofa, and middle is a table.
Wow. Okay. The door is on my right side. The sofa is on my left side. Yeah. And the table is in the middle. All right.
This is small.
It's a
Have two chairs.
uh,
We have
very good. You have what else?
I have 7 chairs.
You have 7 chairs there?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's your class. Is that your mini classroom?
One daddy is on the dinner. Now I my 2 people eating. Now daddy is sitting on the left side, and mom sitting on the right side, and me is sitting on the middle side.
Oh, okay. Wow. So it used to be a long table, but now it's just you, mommy, and
Now it's a big table.
oh, big table. So who? Yeah. So how many are you in your family?
2.
Oh, just two? Oh.
2 people.
2 people, just you and mommy?
You and mommy and daddy.
So you're 3, right? You're 3. Did you finish eating dinner?
Friend is 2 table.
Okay. What's behind you? What's that? Is it a blackboard?
Board.
It's a board. Okay. Is that your mini classroom? Is that your classroom at home?
No, this is
No?
my house.
Yeah, but that's like yeah. Your classroom, little classroom. Oh, with that, wow, your eraser has a magnet, yeah? Oh.
Marker on the mice.
Mm. For
I
me,
have a marker and
again,
write it on the board and so in the razor in the board.
you erase it. Okay. You write something on it and then you erase it. Yeah? Okay, there. And so, what about in your classroom?
Two beds. I have 3 beds in my house. I have 2 bedrooms.
Oh, you have 2 bedrooms? Okay.
I have a 1 kitchen.
Oh, and then 1 kitchen. And then what else? What are the parts of your house? Tell me, please.
I have a sofa, table, and the fan, and the chair, and the door, and the shoe, and the basketball, and a bike, and the chair, and the fishing county.
Fishing county? You mean, or maybe you mean an aquarium? You have an aquarium?
I have a toy.
You have toys?
And
Bathroom, where you take a bath. You have a bathroom.
bath, 2 baths. 2 baths.
2 wait, bags or bathroom? What do you mean?
Bathroom.
Oh, wait.
I have a cat bag. I have a hat.
Okay.
I have a t-shirt and a shirt.
Oh, your clothes.
And
And
a cat bag.
oh, you have what? Again, what's that?
Happy. I have head. I have a board and a middle. I have and I have
Okay.
a homework.
You have a homework?
Oh yeah, I said in the middle section my tears.
Okay, all right. So now you told teacher you have a homework. Did you finish answering your homework?
All right, I finished already.
Oh, you are great. Okay, so I think I'm gonna give you this one. Good job for today.
Yay!
Yes. Okay. Do you want an ice cream too? Yes.
Yes.
Or a rabbit?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, 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 yummy. I have a chocolate from China. Do you like it?
Right.
Oh, not China. Yes.
I don't want a shock. I don't want a chocolate.
What do you like?
I want a salad.
Salad? Okay, next time I will prepare salad for you, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Vegetable salad or fruit salad? What do you like?
Vegetable salad.
Ooh, really? You like vegetable salad?
Yeah.
Wow, you're great. Some of my students.
And fruit, dragon fruit.
Oh yeah, I remember that. So if I see a dragon fruit, I will remember dragon fruit. But you like salad, so maybe next time I will prepare salad for you, okay?
Yay.
Yes, I love you so much, my dear boy. Stay smart and teacher will see you again. Give me high five. High five. From Vietnam.